Okay, you got a 2017 Mirage here with 423K. Yeah, this one came in. Driver said it was vibrating. Not sure if, hopefully the camera picks that up, but as soon as you put it in the drive, just the whole car is shaking. If you give it a little gas. Yeah, so that's not right. If you put it in neutral, revs up fine. Yeah, just in drive or reverse. It doesn't do it as bad in reverse, but yeah, I guess we'll find out what that is. My guess is the subframe's packed with gravel. Some of these cars out of town, they hit a lot of gravel roads. And they scoop up gravel right into the subframe, right where the one engine mount is, so. And that causes vibration, just like this, but I don't think I've ever felt one quite this bad. Usually they'll vibrate when you put it in reverse and hit the gas, or just drive one way or the other. Rocks will get packed in there, but yeah, I'll get this on the hoist and see what's going on here. Now that'll do it. Yeah, that might be a problem. Wow. Well, I forgot to take video of the K-frame of this thing. It's all fixed now. Yeah. Okay, good, fixed.